enough, strong enough, and more bold number. Life is but an empty dream, for the soul is dead. There's numbers, and things are not what they seem. Life is sweet, life is sweet, life is fairness, life is fairness. In the grace, God is good. Art, regardless, was the spoken of the soul. As no art, as regardless, was the spoken of the soul. God is judgment, God sorrow. In our way, so our destiny and our way. But to act, that each tomorrow, find us further than today. Art is love, and time is living. Heart in the heart, stop and break. Still, like bubble drum, are beating, funeral marches to the grave.
Field of battle in the bivouac of life. Do not like dog-driven cattle. Be a hero in the strife.
Be a hero in strife.
Trust no future how it bless us. Let the dead must bury its dead. Act.
Act. Act in the living presence.
Heart within and God o'erhead. Great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime, and departing, leave behind us footprints on the sands of time, footprints of perhaps another, sailing for a life soul in main, forlorn and shipwrecked brothers. See, we shall take heart again. Let's then be up and do it with the heart for any fate. Still achieving, still pursuing. Learn to labor and to wait.
Still achieving, still pursuing. Learn to labor and to wait.